Welcome to Ask the Doctor, where you send us your questions and we do our very best to get them answered. Now, the first question is from Ed, and he says, can I take a regular B complex to reverse my neuropathy? Great question, but the answer is no. Let me explain why. Taking a B complex is great for maintaining your nerve health and your overall health. But when you have nerve damage, you have to take very specific B vitamins like Benfotiamine, Pyridoxal 5-phosphate, Folate, and methylcobalamin in very specific amounts. Now, your B complex may contain these forms of B vitamins, but I can guarantee you they won't be in the proper amounts. And the reason I know this without looking at your specific brand of B complex is because you can't get these specific Bs in high doses that are required and still fit all the other B vitamins into the capsules. Now, there simply isn't enough room in the capsule. Countless times I've had patients come into my office and they tell me, Doc, I don't want to take Euphoria Gold because I've been taking a B complex forever and it hasn't worked. Well, the reason it hasn't worked is usually because the critical Bs are not in their proper dose or they're not present at all. If you're unsure exactly which B vitamins you need for repair and regeneration and what the proper amounts are, you can get all this information from our videos, Vital Nutrients for Nerve Repair, and the right dose. I'll include links to these videos in the description box below. Thanks for your question and keep them coming. We'll pull your questions from the comment sections of the video, so keep posting them.